mo pala. Gusto ko sama, beer. Nandito na pala. Morning guys, gamit ko yung phone ko. Alis siya, may golf siya. And ayan yung pa-Valentine's niya sa akin. Valentine's Day, babe. Tingnan mo, siya talaga naka-red. Alis na siya. Huh? Don't forget what? Good luck. Good luck to you. Thank you. Where'd you get this?
Doesn't matter where I got it from.
Thank
Thought the count. Sweetie.
Thank you.
Ready at 3:30.
Huh?
You got all day to be ready at 3:30.
Yeah,
As soon as I come home.
Yep. Okay. Alis kasi kami. Ito yung card, guys. Para lang high school ang card. Oh, may papuso. Thank you, honey. So, basahin ko to. And mamaya buksan natin to. Lakas talaga maka-teenager tong card na to. Share ko sa inyo. Nabasa ko na siya. Share ko sa inyo itong part na to. Yung sulat niya. Oops. Gamit ko pala yung phone ko, guys. Ayan. Ayan. And tingnan nyo yung X. Nakipagsiksikan sa E.
Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get.
And ayan. Thank you, hon. What did you say?
I said you haven't opened your present yet.
Oh, I love the card.
Yeah. You might like the neckline.
Ano?
You might not like the neckline.
The necklace. Buksan na nga natin. Necklace to, ha? Are you sure? Tingnan nyo siya. Yung balit mo pang fish and chips. Yeah? Kabana. Sa newer. Favorite.
Your favourite.
Favorite ko kasi itong chocolate. Thank you.
Right, where's mine?
Yours?
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, whatever. Sorry.
Later nga.
Come back. Let's do it.
You said,
Yeah. Get organised. Be ready.
Where's all-
ready. Like, where's your dad? You know, I want to be like that, not walk in and he's still doing stuff.
don't worry.
Well, I see.
Sweetie, where's your
Look
dad?
what Daddy got me, Baba. I'll share it with you, Baba.
Sweetie,
Chocolate!
where's your bag?
Where's
to
your
go
bag?
holiday?
Where's your bag? Gamit ko yung phone. Nasabi ko na ba? Phone ang gamit ko, guys.
No.
You don't know. We're leaving.
Wait a minute. Get off at 11.
Are you bringing the baggie?
No. No, she's realised.
Okay. Good luck.
'Cause
It's
seems like
who else?
Who?
Who- just the two of you.
Celebrity Ambrose.
Celebrity.
There's a couple of pros going there.
Happy birthday to
Both
Mom.
the footballers.
Pinky.
Really?
No.
Oh.
Tea.
A big one?
Yeah.
Pink.
Big competition?
Yeah, Ambrose. Yeah.
Tea.
Yeah, good luck.
Happy birthday to.
Dikit na siya sa
This is your birthday time, Mom.
Magkadikit na siya sa akin kasi
Happy
nakita niya yung chocolate
birthday.
and yung card. Matagal niya na akong gusto bilhan ng card.
Chocolate!
Okay, read. Okay.
Jane, have Mom love you so much. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Papa. I love you too. Mwah. Love you.
Swaggy.
Nahanap na nila. Kanina pa nila hinahanap yung
It's for the
binigay
club.
sa kanya nung matanda. Yung golf.
Try to keep
club.
that. Look, this one's straight. No, take it away. Look, take it away straight. No, you're bending it. Don't bend it. Straight. No. Look, take it away. Straight. Cock the wrist. And then down. Like this. Look, straight arms. Do straight. Do it like this. Put your hands together. Straight. Why are you bending it?
Don't bend,
Don't
Papa.
bend.
Straight.
Straight. Look, straight.
Straight. You don't bend, Papa. Straight like Kuya TJ.
Straight.
And swing. You
Why are you
don't.
going that way? This way. Straight.
Okay, straight,
Straight.
Papa.
Straight arm. You're going the wrong way, Holly. This way. Straight.
It's gonna be
Jesus,
alright.
oh, I'm sweating already.
Oh, mainit. So, what's the weather
Be nice.
in Adelaide?
Yeah.
Nice?
Yeah.
Kasi last time, summer yung dala natin, ang lamig.
Mom, where you found this?
Remember the old guy gave it to you?
Put it in your. I'm sweating, absolute sweating already. I've been going outside yet. Put that in your bag. Put it in your bag.
In
Don't
your bag,
lose it.
Baba.
Pull it
Hinintay niyo
off.
lang yung kaibigan niya.
Pull it. Yep, and pull from the fingers. That's it. Other one. Right, in your bag. Don't lose it.
What time is coming?
Huh?
What time is coming?
No, I'm meeting him up there, so I can just drive straight over and finish.
Ah, okay. So you're just waiting for the time?
Yep. So long.
Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Totoo na yan, alis na siya. Yep.
Tapos na ako mag-impake sa wakas and nakalinis na ako ng bahay. And si Holly, ayan, ready na siya. Nakabihis na rin siya. And katabi niya yung chocolate. And yung mga bata, parating na yun. Kasi alas 3 na, 3:15 yung uwi nila. And si Jan wala pa rin. Pero yung mga gamit namin, ayan, ready na. Nandiyan na sa may pintuan. Ilalagay na lang yan sa car. And ako, lagyan ko, i-refill ko yung alcohol kasi wala nang laman. Mayroon pa naman, kunti na lang. Pero, lagyan ko na. And kanina, si Holly, nahulog niya to. Buti na lang, nahanap niya yung, eto yung hikaw niya. Ako, nahanap ko yung pako doon sa may banyo. So, mamaya ilalagay ko to. So, magre-refill lang ako ng alcohol. And, hindi pa ako kumakain simula kanina. Pero, naglaga ako ng itlog. Si Holly, ang kinain niyang lunch is sandwich saka egg. Kasi hindi na ako naglutong kain kasi wala namang kakain ng tira. Yung ginawa kong chia pudding, hindi ko pa nakakain. So, yun ang kakainin ko. Hiningal ako.
Why put it in bag? That's for the bag.
Yeah. I'm refilling it pa because it's almost empty. Tapos ito, ilagay ko na lang to sa car kasi meron pa akong dalawang ganito. Oh! Nakalsikan yung mata ko. Meron pa akong dalawang ganyan. Sa Philippines to guys, mahal ang alcohol dito. As in, mahal ang alcohol dito. And ito sa Philippines din to.
Hold it. I'll put it
Eh,
in my bag.
nag-yogurt din to si Holly.
I'll put it
ito
in my
yung-
bag.
Chia pudding. Wala pa tong lagay na.
In the orange bag.
Yeah, that's mine. Ayan na siya guys. Ganyan ang issue. Pwede mo pa siya lagyan ng...
Look.
What? It's yum. Busog na kasi siya.
Yum.
It's yum. Pwede pa siya lagyan ng gatas kung
What
gusto
is
mo
that?
maging...
Mom, what is that?
Sweet. Huh?
What is that?
What's that? It's my breakfast. Supposed to be my
Are you
breakfast.
eating it
Huh?
for later?
Ang ilalagay ko ay... Baba.
I'll put this
Ilalagay ko plum, yung red plum. Tapos ito yung mixed nuts.
This.
Ang binili ko sa Coles, yung tropical mix. Tapos yung isa naman, trail mix. Ayan. So, itong dalawa. Lagyan ko and hatiin ko to.
Is this my earring?
Yes. You lost your earrings.
No, I didn't. See?
Yeah. Lucky. Andyan si Oli. Oh, ang daldal na naman ni Holly. Oh, don't, Baba. Akin na nga. Lagay ko nga muna to.
It's right here. Wait, why do you need
Lagyan
that?
natin. Ha?
Why need that?
What?
That.
Lagay na natin ito. Buti na lang. Dalawang beses na ito nahulog. Buti na lang nakahanap namin. Dito lang naman sa sa bahay. Kasi pa nagbibihis siya, kasi siya na yung nagbibihis sa sarili niya eh. Ayan. Nagbibihis siya na siguro na ng damit niya.
For saying my eyes.
No. Spray it to your eyes, Papa. Good. Okay? Basan ko ulit yung kamay.
There we go.
Pretty na. So, ito yung ilalagay kong fruit. So, okay. Ayan. Nahiwa na natin yung
Are you
plum.
finished?
Yes.
And wash your hands.
Yan.
Is it so
So, hinihintay na lang namin si Jan kasi diba, kabilin-bilin na ni Jan kanina na huwag siyang paghintayin. Gusto niya ready na ako pagdating niya. Maliligo pa naman yun eh. So, lagi ko kasi siyang pinapahintay. So, ngayon,
Ready na ako. So, matutuwa yun. Kagabi kasi, maaga ko natulog kagabi, pero gumising ako ng maaga. Like, 4:30 or 4. Nag-edit ako, guys. And, after nun, nagawa ko ng lunch ng mga bata. Prepare ko yung breakfast nila. Then, umalis sila. Then, bumalik ako sa bed. Kaya, sobrang antok ako kanina. Pero ngayon, okay na.
That's fast.
Huh?
Now,
So, parang yun na yung routine. Kasi yung vlog ko, pang umaga ko siya pinapublic. Ayan na yung aking breakfast. So, meron siyang, wait, Papa, no, I'm gonna eat it now. So, hindi na siya breakfast,
eat
guys.
it now.
Ano na siya?
You have to open. You have to get in the tub.
No, I'm gonna eat it now. So, hindi na siya breakfast. Ano na nga siya? Lunch, breakfast, and merienda.
You have to
Ito yan ang itsura niya. Pwede mo siya lagyan ng peanut butter kung gusto
eat
niyo.
it for later.
No. Sarap nito.
And that.
Which one? This one?
No, this one.
This one?
Yeah. Mmm.
Good? Kain muna kami. Sa inyo yung baon namin. Meron kami ditong, ito yung spicy Cheetos. And may Cloud9. And Doritos, yung malaki. Tubig. Tapos yung nachos. Doritos din, pero ito, cheese. Then,
Where's walnut?
M&M's. And yung V8 na Tropica. Yes, Baba. And then, Cadbury Oreo coated siya. Ayan, ang aming snacks on the way to Adelaide. And dala ko yung steamer, guys, kasi hindi ko plinansya yung damit ko. So, itatry ko yan. Dito na sila, guys. Say hi pa, kuya.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Alright, get dressed now, please, because Daddy will be here soon. Andun agad siya sa fridge. Bihis na siya and naghahanap siya ng pagkain sa pantry. What do you want, Maba? And si Kuya nakabihis na rin. How about you, ah? Habang hinihintay ko si Jan, nanood muna ako ng Korean drama. Yung pinanood ko kahapon. Okay, close the fridge. Wala pa si Jan. Inutusan ko si Kuyang diligan niya yung mga pananim ko dun. Oh. And yung isa dun, kasama si Teddy. Thanks, Kuya. And the mint, okay? And then the spring onions. Good job. One more round.
That one.
Yes, and then next is the... Okay. Thank you. Don't forget the other one, okay? What take you so long, hon? It's
Big
so...
day, babe. Big day.
How did you go?
Good.
Huh?
12 under we were.
Oh,
We probably good chance. But
good chance.
anyway, right.
Yeah, already.
Oh, hurry up.
What? Mag-alas 5 na, guys.
Let's go that way. Come on. Right.
You're not gonna have a shower?
No, I don't want to get there, mate.
Okay,
Golf
doon na.
shoes, golf hat.
Doon na lang daw
glasses.
siya magka-shower.
Glasses.
Siya si Holly.
Zach, start.
Honey, I think it's cold, hon.
No, it's not.
You'll be right. Oh, we're in the car. I might get cold tonight. Hang on, bub. I'm going to...
Mommy, can you do this?
Umiyak siya kanina kasi nga ang tagal ng daddy niya.
Why have you got them shoes on?
No, diba?
Have to bring a chocolate in the top. I can eat it.
Ikaw na talagang nagmamay-ari niyan. Kumuha ko ng jacket kasi malamig yung hangin. Siguro kasi pag gabi na rin. Ano na eh? 5 na eh. So, 2 jacket ang dala ko. Ito yung parang, ano ba tawag dito? Ayan, basta yan. Parang Korean siya. And etong isa. And then, dinalhan ko rin si Holly. So, alis na tayo, guys. Ano na, sobrang hapon na. Mga bata, nandun na. Kinuha na nila yung ibang gamit dito. Yung phone ko, and ito yung, nalagyan ko ng laptop. Okay. May kumakanta sa likod.
No, but I'll get on the
What are you eating, Sag? Yan yung soya, yung binibili ko sa Coles, yung favorite niya, yung lime.
Mom, we looked at that at 10 o'clock.
Oh my God, 10? Hala, gabi na ka nakarating doon. Alas 10.
back a little bit more.
Kasi yung car namin, yung car niya ang gamit namin. Medyo masikip yung harap. Pero ngayon, in-adjust niya na. Okay. Hindi na siya naligo. Doon na lang siya maligo. Kasi late na. What? What did you do? Yeah. Umuulan ng konti, guys. And very gloomy. And what's that na? Si Kuya, kumakain siya ng Doritos. And wala na siya sa car seat. Ano na siya? Okay na siya. May pillow lang siya dyan na nakapatong, dalawa. Kasi 8 na raw siya. And ganito namin i-celebrate ang Valentine's Day. Yes? Mom and Dad daw, Daddy.
Dad, I twisted my whole beta braces.
What for?
Chili lime soya. Nitok nang nakaupo sa car seat ni Kuya.
Why do you have to turn like that? Very hard.
Humingi ako kay Kuya. Doritos. Kasi gusto rin siya. This is for Daddy. So, ganito kayo mag-celebrate ngayon ng Valentine's Day.
This is my Valentine's present.
I have chocolate for you, huh? I do. It's in there. I
see it. I know what it is.
Yeah. I do. Hindi siya iniwan. Meron akong chocolate. Hindi ko pa nabibigay sa kanya. M&M's.
Don't drop it.
So, at least may date kami kahit pa paano.
I'll get it there. Okay.
Yeah, show it to Daddy. That one na. Yeah. See? And then the other, Cloud9 and M&M's. I have M&M's there, Kuya. You see it? That one. See?
Dad,
See?
can I have some? Here?
No, not yet.
It's way past time. Can we some of that? Ready?
Yeah, yes, you can.
Please give me two.
Kaya anong kinakain nyo guys ngayong Valentine's Day? I know late yun na ito mapapanood. Kasi late naman yung vlog ko lagi. What's that, baby?
Doritos.
And ito yung aming wine. Give me the wine, Kuya. Kasi siya kumain ng Doritos. Kinukuha lang ni Kuya yung...
What's in this? I got
What's that, Baba?
head.
Kumakain si Oli ng
Baba, you
Cloud9.
tired, darling? You look tired.
Hey, Baba.
Put your arms in, sweeties.
What do you
Baba.
want me to take?
Ako na, Kuya. Okay, here, honey.
You got any other of these?
V8.
Here. What
Huh?
other V8? Here. Do you have any other
That's it,
V8?
Baba. That's it, Kuya. Wait. Give it to Kuya.
Got any other V8?
No more, Kuya. That's it. Here, my love. Diba? Nairaos din namin yung Valentine's Day. Hindi nga lang malamig. Good, right? And it's healthy. 5-star, honey.
I don't like
Ayan.
it.
Si Kuya ang gusto niya breakfast.
So yum.
Yum.
It's not even cold.
I know.
In my world,
$200 fuel voucher,
Right.
3 people accommodation at South Yarra, and tickets to the MCG.
Wow.
Bloody hell, that's alright.
That's good. I thought it was pretty good, eh?
Yeah, still, I'm not there for bloody photo now.
Oh, I just left.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bloody, that's a good ticket. We'll have to be
Little road trip.
boys trip, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. No, that's wicked. How much buy? Do you win by one shot or something? Or
Yeah, about a shot.
that was half?
Yeah. Jason Knight and Jazz and whoever they play with come second.
Because that was the group in front of us.
Nah, they were on the first tee. when we went to the 18.
Right. Oh, well done. Wicked. Sick.
Yeah.
So, what was it? 2 to the Yarra?
Yeah, South Yarra accommodation. I don't know if it was 1 or 2 nights, I can't remember, but
Yeah.
I would say it'd be 1 night.
Yeah, mate, and tickets to the MCG.
Yep, and $200 for fuel.
Sick. Wicked.
Yeah,
Dami nilang
that's good.
napanalunan.
Wicked. Well done.
Yeah, I didn't do nothing, but anyway. You won.
That's alright. Well, it's a team effort.
Yeah, that's it. That was good.
Sick. Well done. Alright.
Congrats!
Yep, too easy. Have a safe trip.
Yeah, will do. Catch you when you get back.
See you, mate.
See you later.
Congrats, ha?
Only go when Essendon's playing. That's it.
Congrats. Mayroon
Yeah.
siyang cold
Only
sore.
go when Essendon's playing. Are we coming?
Wow! So you have another trip, ha?
Probably not, mate. That's a boys' trip. They're winning.
Whatever.
South Yarra, MCG, and $200 voucher.
Good job.
You.
Wow,
And what do you call that? Celebrity golf day. Hindi siya celebrity, pero ewan kung bakit siya nandun. Mayroong mga AFL, right, ha?
Well, MCG. So.
No, I mean
Oh, there's AFL players and
Yeah.
golf pros there.
yeah, from Adelaide. So maraming iba-ibang
only go when
mga players, and then yung iba mga talaga
Or what?
professional golfer, right, ha?
Yeah.
Natalo nila yung professional golfer. Congrats, honey. See that, kuya?
Cool.
Only
Yeah,
go
wow, you're having a
when
good
Essendon's
week,
Had a
honey.
good one, yeah.
Yeah, kasi nanalo si kuya.
Huh?
2 beses. Tapos nalagay pa si kuya sa How about
What?
you? How about
Hey,
you?
Dad, where
Don't put that in your mouth, Zachary. That's germs.
Then si Jan,
Where my
nung
hat
Sunday, second runner-up siya.
Ay,
Tapos ngayon
Essendon
sila yung
na.
nanalo. Congrats. Wow, ang saya niya. No?
And about yourself.
Wala. Kuha daw siya ng alak. What are you gonna get, her?
Just drink.
For what?
Oh, God.
You don't need anything.
For what? Celebration?
Store.
Ang saya niya, guys, as in ganun siya ng ganun, oh. Nanalo sila. Sayang daw hindi sila nagpa-picture. Siya pala kasi wala naman, umalis agad siya kasi nga, 'di ba? Punta kayo ng Adelaide. So nasa sana siya, border watch. Sa newspaper sana ulit siya. Ay, tulog pala si Holly, guys. Tulog ang baby girl.
Here, mate.
Oh, guys.
Put this. Move
Oh.
that one. Put it in your door.
Hey, Bobby,
Huh?
lollipop.
Ito yung kanyang coffee.
Mom,
Yeah. Yung namin paboritong lollies. Ito yung snake.
Mom, look, there's another.
Pythons.
It's cup holder.
Yeah. Okay. Careful, ha?
Just say,
Kung makita nyo sana siya, parang siyang, alam mo yun, yung mga professional golfer na nagkakaway-kaway sa crowd. Ganun yung ginagawa niyo.
that's on.
Then again, Han!
In my world,
Ganun siya.
No, you.
Sobrang saya niya, as in. Nanalo kasi sila. Tingnan niyo si
They
Zach.
doing it, Dad.
Do it again, Zach.
I want to do this thing.
Para siyang yung,
There's
ano ba
no
tawag sa
I
atin?
don't know how to make it like
A weasel?
Look at that.
Here.
Lucky.
What? Oh my God. Yung ano ng belt niya, tinanggal niya kasi and then nahulog yung parang,
Kuya, where mine?
ewan kung ang tawag doon, yung parang yung nilalagay yung extra niya, ewan, ano ba? What do you call that, ha?
Bell.
Yeah, the belt. What you, can you hear sa? The lollies? What do you call that, ha? The
Whistle lolly.
Yeah, whistle lolly.
Let's just tuck the bell in.
in my world, I don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now you're everything I love.
Right,
See you alone. Wherever you are, see you
It will be alright.
Parang nag-concert si Jan dito,
If
tsaka
it's
si
not him,
Holly.
sounds don't
Tsaka
like that,
yung mga kids. Grabe yung kantahan namin
Alright,
guys.
I'm
Sila lang pala. Lalo na to. Oh. Sobrang
Sushi!
Ha?
Sushi!
Manners?
Please.
Kantahan. As in, dito na kami sa K.
Oh! Hey,
Bili kami ng chicken. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Mama,
Go
Yes.
in there, go in there. Go.
Yep.
having a wrap.
Okay, come on, let's go. Oops, lilipad yung king. What? Come on. Mayroong mga pinost sa IG, pero mas marami pa sana. Kaso nahuhuli ako ni Jan. Grabe yung kanta niya. As in, talagang para siya nagko-concert. Kasi yung mga nakukuha ko kunti lang. Kasi pag nakikita niya yung etong camera, tsaka yung phone, humihinto siya pagkanta. Okay, go there. Okay. Order muna kami ng pagkain, guys. Baba. What you gonna have, Baba?
Mushy.
Mushi. Alam niyo na po ng mushi. How about you, Zach?
Sushi.
Sushi. Kuya?
Mushy. Wraps is the have.
Rock. Si Jan, alam niyo na yung sandwich ni Jan. Anong oras na, Zach? What time is it, Zach?
7:34.
7:34 na, guys.
Have you ever tracked me?
Huh? Come on, let's go. Alam na niya. No, come on, let's go. No, you already have lollies. No, last one, Zach. Last one na lang. Walang sandwich. No, but you can share with Zach. Yeah.
No way. What? No way.
But props for you, Kuya. You like that? What's that? Chicken? Ha? No, mas mochi, Baba. Pa ako ng Fanta kasi kasama to dun sa sa deal sa chicken. Shinare ni Sak yung niya, yung sushi niya kay Holly kasi isa na lang. So tig-isa sila. Kasi si Sak nakaubos siya ng dalaw. You're full, Baba? You want chicken? Okay. Huh? You can have that, baby. Ito yung amin. Bargain box. Tapos ito ang kasama. And, yeah. Upgrade yung chips. So, happy Valentine's Day, guys. I know, late na to. Huh? Mayo.
What is mayo?
Mayonnaise.
I love mayo.
That's right. Okay, kain, guys.
Mommy, I got tissue.
Good, right? What do you want? Drumstick.
I cannot have
Kuya,
wait.
buti na lang dalawa yung drumstick ngayon. Here, Kuya. You're welcome.
Wait, is that
Put it down. Si Jang, what are you gonna get, hon?
Ham sandwich.
They don't have it.
Yeah, they do.
He's making.
They're making. Okay. Wala na kasi sa fridge.
That's that mommy.
Say that. What's the like when you're hungry?
Si Kuya, tingnan niyo yung pagkain niya. Mauubos niya na yung isang
Mommy.
chicken wrap. And meron pa siyang isa. And then meron pa siyang chicken dito. Ha? Okay. Puhaw ka na. Bagong gawa yung sandwich niya, oh. Ayan yung kay Jan, oh. Fresh. Ubus ni Kuya yung niya, yung wraps. No, wait for me. Tapos na sila. Ako na lang yung natitira. Wait. Tapos na kami. Nililinis ko lang kasi kami na lang yung natitira. Yung babae, nakalinis na siya kasi malinis na yan. Nag-vacuum na siya. And naubos yung chicken. And eto yung natira sa chips. And yeah, we're going. Come on, Baba. Wash your hands. Come on. Okay, rub.
8 o'clock.
8? Hello. What time you think we will be?
10.
10 o'clock daw
Seatbelt on.
10? Ayan, yung seatbelt ko pala. Vlog pa more. Kaya pala tumutunog. So let's just, around 10, Han, we will arrive there. 10?
Yeah.
Dilim na. Wait lang. Ayan, nag-ingay niya kasi yung seatbelt to. Okay? Okay. What's that, Han?
Your seatbelt.
No. Daddy.
Dad, your seatbelt.
No, not the seatbelt. Good. Kumakain sila ng ito yung pythons na Lois. Ang paborito ng lahat namin. Ayan o.
Everything gone out of now.
Mom and Dad, not morning.
'Cause they're all in fear.
Ayan, nag-stretching lang yung mga bata. 9:26 na, guys.
That's not.
Malapit na. Siguro mga less than an hour na lang. Guys, Adelaide na kami pero wala pa kami doon sa hotel. Yung mga bata tulog na. Ayan, si Kuya and tulog. Si Holly tulog. 10:19 na, guys. And pagod na rin si John kasi naglaro siya, diba? So yun lang, in-update ko lang kayo. Malapit na kami. Napagsarahan pa kami, guys, kasi may dadaan na train. Wala pa yung train. Medyo baka matagal-tagal to. Anong oras na? Until 10:30 na. Ayan yung train. Finally, nakarating na kami dito. Wake up! We're here. And you have to be quiet, okay? Because people are sleeping. Come on.
Wow.
Come on, Kaya. Baby, Holly. Wake up, Papa.
Just watch.
Mga pagod. Pagod na sila. Si John, ako din pagod. Sakit ng puwet ko. Kakaupo. Tara kayo sa room, guys. And nailagay na namin lahat ng mga gamit na dito sa kwarto. And i-quick tour ko lang kayo. Dito pa rin kami sa Comfort Inn. This time, nasa number 21 kami. And ito yung toilet nila. Ayan yung banyo. And yan yung mirror, yung sink. And tadan, yan yung old-fashioned na inodoro. Kasi matagal. This is old hotel, right? And very old. Right? Yeah. And ito yung, nandito yung ano, yeah. Dito yung planchahan. Hindi ko mabuksan kasi mayroong nakaharang. And microwave, ref, and as usual, walang laman. Tubig ni Holly. Dinagay niya na. And the same, may mga coffee.
Take clothes off.
Coffee,
Go in your undies.
cups, and baso, and yan, toaster, and ano pa ba? May pillow din dyan. And ito yung bed. Merong single bed na dalawa. And ayan, merong round table with 2 chairs. And eto, queen bed to. So, mas maliit to compare doon sa dating pinagstay namin doon sa number. What number was that, Kuya? 17 yung honeymooners suite. So, mas maganda sana kaso may tao doon ngayon. And ayan, may malaking TV. So, i-close ko na tong vlog, guys. Tingnan niyo yung pimples ko, oh. Ang lalaki this time. As in, siguro dahil kakakain ko ng mushroom. Ayun na, oh. Parang sila mga mushroom. Ayun, di ko ang laki. So, yun na, guys, yung vlog for today. Thank you. Maligo na tayo, oy. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Good night, boys. Pagod na sila. Good night, guys. Thank you. Mwah.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.